गुड इवनिंग शुभ संध्या रेडियो चॉकलेट रो ए वेबिनार को मु समस्त को स्वागत करुची और दुर्गा पूजा उपलक्षे समस्त को अनेक अनेक अभिनंदन। किछि दिन पूर्वरु आमे आउट वेबिनार करिथिलु वर्ल्ड सुसाइड अवेयरनेस डे दिन। तार टाइटल थिला लाइफ इज ब्यूटीफुल और आजिर वेबिनार रो टाइटल होची आई एम ब्यूटीफुल। आई एम ब्यूटीफुल is a very rare statement because we keep complimenting everyone around us but आमे केबे भाबुनी कि आमे सुंदर आउ ब्यूटी रा सौंदर्य रा कौन परिभाषा ता भी ठीक से कहा को जाना नहीं बट समवेयर इट हैज बिकम कि गोरा डिंगा पतला माने सुंदर so to trash those stereotypes and to listen to real women who have faced certain stereotypes and prejudices and to talk about body positivity we are here today आम सहित जो मैंने जोड़ी ही फेसबुक माध्यम यूट्यूब माध्यम रेडियो चॉकलेट पेज रे समस्त को पुणी थे स्वागत करुची। माँ दुर्गा इज अ सिंबल ऑफ फेमिनिन स्ट्रेंथ, फेमिनिन शक्ति, ऑफ विजडम, ऑफ पावर एंड दुर्गा पूजा is a festival where good conquers over the evil and where negativity is defeated by positivity. So, a Durga Puja avasare, let's talk about how we women be more positive about our bodies, about our self, and can just freely say that I am beautiful. Amabakere, we have some lovely women who have joined us. Amasangar Achanti Sukirti Patnaik. She is the founder, MD of Indulge Group of Salons, a very, very, very successful businesswoman. She's also the convener for the ICC Women's Entrepreneurship Committee in Odisha. Amsangar Achanti Priyanka Singh there. She's a nutritionist. She's a fitness enthusiast. She's a biker and she's a mother. We have Flora Swine from Sambad, and we have RJ Komal, who is calling herself extra large RJ Komal. So, mu Sukirti को पचारिबी कि Sukirti तमे जो business रे अच्छा every day तम salon भितरे पूरा busy थाए माने there are ladies जे hair करिया पे आसंती, makeup करिया पे आसंती, facial, this treatment, that treatment, everyone wants to look beautiful. So what is this obsession with beauty? I mean, what according to you is true beauty?
Okay. According to me, I think self-confidence is true beauty. निज भितरे जदि से confidence रहिची कि हाँ मु सुंदर, मो personality भलो, मो बुद्धि भलो, मो character भलो, आउ हाँ even looks wise also जदि if I am well groomed. Grooming is a very, very important part, I believe. Ajiro dunya re. I always use the word grooming when it comes to today's world because it includes fitness, it includes how fit you are.
I'd like to ask Priyanka here that why can't we focus on just fitness? I mean, it's always about losing weight, Ajikali. Like the only topic of discussion everywhere is ki kete chhadi jaichu, mota uti ke chhadi bhi, mota hai galani. It's all about weight. Suddenly, you know, it's just everyone is obsessed with weight. Like for me, mu last 12 varsha helani, I've been trying to lose weight, but I have been. That means 12 varsha helani, I have ignored fitness. So, like, how important it is for people to be fit, because if you're fit then you lose that excess weight for sure.
See, Tanaya very rightly pointed. First thing is, if you see the statistics also in the internet, it is saying that 90% of women are unhappy with their body and they resort to the dieting strategies or maybe the workout. Probably they may not be doing it in the right way, but somewhere I really don't understand from where this concept or the image of a perfect body comes in. I mean, if I'm thin, but still I'm not happy. Somebody who is a bit fat, they are not happy. So from where that concept of perfect body comes in? I mean, that's the biggest question. Is it somewhere like hashtag Instagram or hashtag social media, which has termed somebody like some of the so-called influencers, they put in some pictures with some inappropriate poses and inappropriate clothes, and they term themselves as a perfect person. Well, if that is the thing, then probably we are wrong somewhere, you know. because we are the only person who term them as an influencer. So we need to see that whoever it is, be it me, be it you, we all are perfect. You know, we first have to think how we can own ourselves. You know,
Very
everybody, actually, everybody is perfect. It's just that you have to own your own body. Then the entire world will do it for you. So first
very
try to respect that. Yeah.
that's very true. We need to be comfortable in our own skin. Now talking about
Correct.
skin, आजिकली को भी साधारण स्मार्टफोन भी जदि आमे सेल्फी कैमेरा ऑन करूछु समस्तଙ୍କର स्किन टोन सेम
Yes, there are a lot of
ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ସେ
filters.
फोन विदाउट फिल्टर भी एते फिल्टर्स तो अच्छी से ऑटोमेटिकली गोरा करि दउची माने आउ कळा लोक नाहंती हम कळा कहूची बिकॉज़ कळा लोक को कळा कहबो गोरा लोक को गोरा कहबो कळा लोक को कळा कहबा किछि खराब
Yeah.
कथा नुहे कळा इज अ complexion and lot of
Yeah.
people who are beautiful are also dark. So I'll ask Flora here. Flora, you are a proud dark skinned woman. तमरा रंग श्यामल वर्ण आउ तुमको किछ प्रॉब्लम नाही राइट
No, no, no,
तुमको
no.
जति की जानी छी अरे लोको को कोन प्रॉब्लम होची
No, I think एटा हला परसेप्शन सब बेले रही कि गोटे सर्टेन वे दिसिबो लाइक यू आल्सो सेड एंड सुकीर्ति आल्सो सेड गोरा हेथबो टिके पतला थिबो किंतु कर्व्स थिबो हाइट एतिकी थिबो एटा गोटे परसेप्शन सोसाइटी रे एंड मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंटली एटा आम मन को फैमिलीज रे भी अछि कि एमती हेथबो सो मते भी फैमिली रे बहुत थरा लोक मुहरे भी कहंती बट सो थिला मोर भी इन्फीरियोरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉम्प्लेक्शन को नहीं कि बहुत टाइम पर्यंत थिला स्कूल कॉलेज रे बहुत थिला इनफैक्ट मु किछि किछि कलर्स पिन्हु नथली ऑरेंज पिन्हेनी येलो इज माय फेवरेट कलर किंतु मु पिन्हेनी बिकॉज़ मते लागे कि एते कंट्रास्ट देखा होची जे भल देखा जीवनी बट आई वुड लाइक टू बेग टू डिफर विथ प्रियंका लिटिल बिट कि I don't want to be perfect. This is my flaw. If it is my flaw, I'm okay with it because complexion is something जोड़ा मो control रे नहीं. I did not choose to be this color. I'm born with it. So the more confidence we ooze and the more comfortable आमे आम निज skin tone सहित निज height सहित निज weight सहित रहिबा सेटा अन्य मानकु सेई स्पेस दबनी हमको कमेंट करा पे सेटा जदी हमें हम वीकनेस भली देखिबा जेंति तमे कहलो कला तो कला मोटा तो मोटा अभी है दैट इज द फैक्ट तो तमे सेटा को जदी गोटे इंसल्ट की किछि ऑफेंस वे रे निजे नबो ताले आई थिंक and it has taken me time to come out of it but now I've realized ki it's okay to be flawed because perfection ro pressure ta ete adhika achi ame match up kari paribani as working women and I don't think it's not healthy also to match up to that level ki etiki weight maintain karbi etiki skin tone and especially for people like Sukirti you can't do anything about height also
सुकीर्ति तम हाइट पई तुमको तो तमर तो सुपर मॉडल हाइट 5 फुट 10 इंच
Right.
बट हैव यू एवर बीन शेम्ड कि बेसी डेंग बहुत डेंगाई जाई छी
Oh, come on. I mean, entire childhood was like I was the headache of my family के को बाहर किया. I think ये जो कड़ा और डेंगा और मोटा यार taboo था actually it is more to do with our culture. जेमिति हमरो Indian culture रे भी मैंने last किछि years हला shape ही आसी छी. I won't say about ancient culture, but right after I think Bollywood started, तो सही दिनों एंड धीरे धीरे magazines and internet रे सब देखी करी even young girls are dieting nowadays ki they aspire to become as thin as a zero size kid but I also believe it's always like with us Indians it's also grass is greener on the other side if you go to Europe when I was in London people used to love my skin tone and mu sethi actually 5'10" hai ki bhi my height was okay it was normal I was not completely out of place jemti mu ethi achi so Europe re amo skin tone pai loko actually they go to a tanning booth to get tanned ki like they want a skin which is dusky and trust me our skin tone is very healthy like we won't get skin cancer that easily we won't age that easily amo skin re wrinkles besi jaldi asiboni compared to how it comes to fair tone skin so there are a lot of positivities which is there and we don't focus on that and we are focusing more ki like how ame bleach kari kemiti gora he jiba but skin ta yadu kharab he jiba so these are all rather awareness that needs to be spread among the community I think as education is like we are getting more and more educated us women we are working women and we are seeing the world ame amo chua man ko sei bhale badheba so धीरे धीरे ए टैबू टा भी पळेबो रहिबो नाही
think that's a very important point. It's बहुत सहज गोटे webinar organize कहि किना कहबा कि be positive, love your body, be comfortable in your own skin. किंतु you know गोटे छोट छुआ को जत बळे छुआ बेलु ताकू कुहा जाउची कि तू कला कि तोर रंग कम बाहर को जानी खरा को आउरी कम ही जब रंग you overweight और तो गेडा समथिंग गोटे छोट छुआर बहुत मानसिक प्रभाव सेटा पकई थाए तो मु कोमल को एठी पचारे को चाहेबी कि कोमल you take it very sportively I know so you have renamed yourself only extra large RJ Komal but तय मते कुह कि actually like what is your experience see you are overweight right for
Yeah.
whatever reasons
Yeah.
best known to you you are quite comfortable in your own skin but were you always this comfortable
Well, actually, I think is कि I am comfortable. आजिकली जेतबेले आपण कोन से हॉस्पिटल जानतु किबा कोठी चेकअप पई जानतु किबा कोन से भूल से को डॉक्टर को आपण देखा हे जाउ चंती they will say कि बहुत बड़े प्रॉब्लम अछि but thing is that कि I never feel that uncomfortable कि अरे मत मोटा हे अछि मत लोक माने मोटा कहउछन rather people say that I look cute तो पतला हे गेले तोर गाल झड़ी जिवो and you will not look that like you're looking now so thing is not about being a fat girl I feel thing is about as you said being fit I just want to be fit मैंने जतबेले वर्तमान जो बॉडी अच्छी being a bit fat bit you know टिके लेथेटिक बड़ लागे आगु चलते मु दौड़ो थिली बहुत जोर से एबे because of my knee operation my doctor suggested until unless तुमे पतला न होई जो पतला नुहे बट स्टैंडर्ड वेट न होई छ तमरो से पर्यंत तमे बेसी जोर से दौड़ी बने so think is all about fitness only it's not कि मु बहुत मोटा है ये feel very I am comfortable I am happy with what I am because you know समस्त entertain करिबारे and this look also entertain people a lot and I get lots of compliment
सुकीर्ति मते कुह कि जो सोशल मीडिया गोटे अनरियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशन गोटे अनरियलिस्टिक स्टैंडर्ड सेट करि दी कि जेमति मु कहूची कि जतबेले आमे सोशल मीडिया रे गोटे फोटो लगाउचु मतलब कि गोटे एवरेज झियो 50 टा फोटो उठई कि ता भितरु गोटे ताको फिल्टर और आजकल फेस कंटूर भी आसुची नाकटा केमति टिके डेंगा देखा जिवो मुहटा केमति टिके पतला देखा जिवो but that is not the real you right so
No.
people post pictures I woke up like this but we don't wake up like that right so how do you think social media is affecting very young girls because they think that they are not good enough for the world ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ତାଙ୍କୁ mentally ବି affect କରୁଛି and they just not feeling confident so a social media माध्यमରେ बहुत ଭଲ କାମ ବି होची but do you think social media is to blame here to some extent
Yes, to a lot extent because since it's Insta and Facebook have been introduced, I mean, more business to body age. So you should see people coming in कि मोर pimples ହେଇଛି मोर एटा problem अछि मु एटा ठीक करिया पे चाहूची and people have started going to doctors also medispa dermatologist कि you know they want to fix things I mean including plastic surgery and ये सब तो ठीक अछि you just imagine the kind of time we waste जेतरे फोन टा खोली कि when we do take 50 pictures ताठु गोटे फोटो तमे सिलेक्ट करिवो but माने मु as a businessman मो पे टाइम बहुत important and I'm sure it's time is very important for all of you I'm a mother of 2 kids I have to run my family my business you know like and same responsibility goes with a lot of people the same place men don't waste that much time you know like to do the filters to do the makeup to get on with all these social media mein jeti time ame as a woman spend karu so I think we are absolutely right ki social media asila porotu ei jinsa ta badhi heichi but se awareness ta rahiba darkar social media is not bad we can actually use it for a lot of good cause and it is being used for a lot of good cause kintu when it comes to a selfie ebe ajikali ame kon kochu selfie crowd so a lot of selfie crowd you know like the kind of time they are wasting and say time re kitte fruitful kam kari pariba ame but that is not happening so I think for me that is the biggest turn down ki ette time ame waste karuchu social media re we can put it in a much productive manner
so Priyanka tell me like you know when you consultancy for people who come to you so do people want to get fit or they want to lose weight
See, the maximum time out of my experience, I'll say people come to me to lose weight, which is okay, because somewhere, as Komal has mentioned, that she knows that she is overweight, but the main thing that she wants to focus in is how she can become more fit. So if that is the perception of a people, then it is okay, because we need to see how healthy we are first of all.
Right.
Rather than concentrating much on how we look, we should rather think on if we are fit, so that we can run the future generation, even we can hold our body for a longer period. So if that is the thing, it is fine. But there are few people who come up to me. Maybe I'll talk with my experience. There was one swimmer who came to me who wanted to give up her swimming career just because her friends thought that she doesn't fit in that swimming costume, or she doesn't look good in that swimming costume. So if that is the thing, then probably there is something wrong in our thoughts. And even there was one skinny guy I know. He was scared of going to the gym. He was already dealing with a lot of health issues, but he was scared of going to the gym because he was being bullied by the other peers in the gym, because he wasn't looking that muscular. So if that is the case, I truly believe that people should take their health as their first priority, but they should start feeling confident in the skin that they are first of all.
Flora, mate kuho ki how does one start feeling comfortable in their own skin? See, we're still surrounded by social media, right? We are seeing unrealistic beauty standards all around us. And there was this ଗୋଟେ photo thila internet ରେ ମଝିରେ ବହୁତ viral ହେଇଥିଲା, ଯୋଉଟା actually has left a deep impact on my mind. ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ ଝିଅଟେ 4-5 ବର୍ଷର ବୟସର ଝିଅ, ସେ ତା ଗୋଟେ ପେଟକୁ ଧରିକି ଗୋଟେ କଇଁଚି ଧରିକି ତାକୁ କାଟିବା ପାଇଁ
Correct,
ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା।
correct.
all of us ମତେ ଏତେ ଖରାପ ଲାଗିଥିଲା ସେ ଫଟୋ ଦେଖିକିରି, you can't imagine.
ମାନେ ଏତେ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଛୁଆ ଆଜିକାଲି ଡାଇଟିଂ କରିବା ଆରମ୍ଭ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ମିଠା ଖାଉନାହାନ୍ତି। I'm completely like advocating good health, healthy food, being fit, but how does actually where does one start when you're surrounded by unnatural, unrealistic standards? And if you have any personal experiences.
Yeah, so with me, ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ଛୋଟବେଳୁ realize କରିଗଲି ଯେ I look different, and some things around me are happening because I kind of look different. ତ ମାନେ ଯେମିତି ସ୍କୁଲରେ ଥାଏ ଡ୍ରାମାଟିକ୍ସ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ପାଇଁ, ଏଥିପାଇଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ I am not the first choice. ତ then I decided for myself कि जदि मोर गोटे निज ପାଇଁ गोटे स्वतंत्र आइडेंटिटी करिवार अछि, then I have to get over this complexion wala thing and work hard and make a name for myself. So that is when I started doing debating. I started going for other competitions and stuff. मो पूरा मो एनर्जी रीचैनलाइज करदेली, बट कोठी ना कोठी सेटा थिला at the back of your head सेटा थाए कि this is happening because of your complexion. I have had guys tell me that you look so beautiful, but because of your complexion we are not that attracted to you. I have had rishtas where people say कि ना 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 बहुत कड़ा and all, मुहरे nothing पीछे. And एमती एटा भी मु सुनिची जेतळे मु क्रॉस करके जाए कि कळा बिले रास्ता काटी गला and all that also I have gone through. But you just have to develop a thick skin. You have to know कि you are more than your complexion. You have to know that you are more than your body. ମୁଁ ଏଟା ଜାଣିଛି कि ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ସ୍କୁଲ ରେ କି କଲେଜ ରେ ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମାଇକ୍ ରେ ଯାଇକି ମୋର ଟପିକ ଡେଲିଭରି ଦିଏ, the entire room goes quiet and everybody is listening to me. That moment, say jo moment ro high is what keeps me going. And mu mora entire energy and focus sei patuku hi rechannelize kali. So you just have to rechannelize yourself. You just have to look at it in a different way. I think that is what works. And you have to develop a thick skin. Nothing is your weakness per se. Nothing is your flaw per se.
So Komal, you have developed a thick skin, I think. I'm sure, because Komal is one of the most bindas chubby girls to be around. And मते सुनी कि ना बहुत खुशी लगला, मते केबे केबे लागे कि केबे तो खराब लागुथो ताकू कि लोक कोन कहउचंती कि मु ओवरवेट, मु टिके मोटा अछि, वेट कमे दरकार. But I'm really happy to know that you actually have that confidence. So I would like to ask all of you briefly जेतु आमे दुर्गा पूजा अवसर रे ए वेबिनार करूछु आ मां दुर्गांकर वेपन अस्त्र थिला त्रिशूल तो आपण मानकर कोन वेपन अछि व्हाट इज योर दैट अस्त्र which you use to shame people who body shame. So we'll start with you, Komal.
Okay, so well, I have got very, I'm confident with what I have. I know how to speak in a very good manner. I
Okay,
know how
tell me
to
जदि तुमको सोशल मीडिया रे तमे गोटे फोटो लगेइछ आउ तळे कमेंट आसुची ए मोटी तो कोन तमे लिखिबो?
Oh, I just really love it because समस्तन को से जो माने खुश नसीबी मिले नहीं because everyone can't be मोटी and जो माने मोटा थांती सन बहुत दिल वाला थांती as my mom say so माने बहुत खुशी रे खांती बोली कि तांको देह उड़ा को जल्दी लागी जाए and they look cute actually and समस्त से cuteness मिले नहीं तो एटा खाली थरे नुए बहुत जण एमते लेखंती टिके पतला हे जानतो ये जानतो but I say thank you that's my privilege कि आपण माने मते तो बढ़िया टर्म रे टर्म करूचंती because समस्त privilege many of them call me local bharti also so चलो thank god I have got so many names जेमते दुर्गा मांकर बहुत ना अछि मोर भी सेमती बहुत ना अछि so I am happy and I am very happy that God has given me that gift of entertaining people समस्त को मुहारे गोटे smile आनिया पे मो पाखरे किछि गोटे talent अछि I can talk to people and that's why I am RJ and so I think this is my weapon कि मु smile करी कि गोटे मुश्किल रास्ता को भी बहुत easy करी दिए.
Priyanka, what about you?
For me, it is like Flora said, any negativity which comes in, I also try to channelize it in the right direction because that is the only pathway wherein you can find the positivity within. It's always like, it should be inside and out, right? So that's
First, tell me what
find.
negativity you get. You don't even look like a mother of 5-year-old. You are so fit and you are slim and you're beautiful. So
See,
what?
like, oh, I'm really happy to get all those terms from your mouth. But yeah, like everybody else, even I was bullied during my childhood. I was told, not just from outside world, it's from the family also, that I was told that I don't belong to this family. Rather, somebody has picked up to me from a temple. Probably most of the people would have heard this term. And the reason behind that was I was dull in complexion and my sister, she was very fair looking. So that was the reason I was being told, and somewhere it used to hurt me because whenever I used to dress up myself, I used to think, no, this color doesn't suit me or that color doesn't suit me or shouldn't be wearing that much. But over the period of time, yeah, I have also channelized those negativity in the right direction, and probably I have learned to how to deal with all those negativity, and that has helped me.
Flora, your astra.
Well, I think my astra would be my confidence because, like you said, कि जदि मु Facebook रे कि social media रे उड़ा photo पकेली and somebody says कि ए काली and all, I would say कि thankfully I am so dark that I can absorb all your negativity and all the darkness that you are emanating. So I think that would be my confidence.
Sukirti?
For me, I think the success. Every woman who is successful in life, in whatever area possible, right? Say success ta tamoku mane that will take you to a level where people can't troll you anymore, because you are so good at certain things. Like we have all the ladies here, even RJ Komal, she's so famous. I mean, I would love to talk about her positivities and how much she entertains people. So even for me, I mean, when I was successful and I made a mark for myself in the society, I don't think people look at my height or my dull dark skin anymore. So they look at what my achievements are, what my successes are. So I think that really helps. So every woman needs to be ambitious in life. They need to make a space for themselves in the world. They need to achieve something so that these minor problems will not be a factor anymore. People will not dare to. So I think that's the biggest part for me.
Great. So I don't have any weapon. My weapon is ekanare pureki. Ekanare bar karya.
That's great.
But I'm being a confident person,
Right.
and I'm not very fat. I'm not very thin. I think I am. माने सब ये average मुझे कि गेड़ा मते गेड़ा कुहंती. School रे मु बहुत खरादे बोली थी तो बहुत कड़ा भी कोथले. But I also sometimes feel that मु मोटा कहीं एमती देखा जाऊँची. and eta ete bada dekha jauchi mu sleeveless pindhibini mo hatara mota and I just feel that if I being a fairly confident person jodi mate emti laguchi there must be so many young women around us who are being adversely affected with this bombardment of
looks.
perfect, beautiful pictures of women all over social media. So I think it is very important. Our samaste family katha kaile, family ru hi arambho hue. And I think families obviously jani suni ki na mano kasta daba pai to ki kahi kuhantini, but amo mind re rahi jauchi. Matrimonial ads re bhi achi tall, fair, slim. And but I think starting from childhood, at least mu bhabuchi ame amara chua manunku amara puo jhio manunku ame sei confidence re ame bada kari paribu je just be comfortable in your own skin and just don't be shy to say that I am beautiful, because everyone is beautiful. And I thank you all for joining me in this webinar. It was wonderful talking to all these lovely, confident, successful women who are probably perfect in their imperfect way and with all the imperfections. And mu bhabuchi ki jo mane bhi ye webinar aji dekhujanti jadi even gote logo ko bhi ame prabhavita kari parichu to be more comfortable in their own skins and to just be, and if you're taking a picture, just post it if you like it without worrying about filters, or just spread positive energy around us. And yes, a gote important jinsa hochi fitness. Obesity is a cause for a lot of diseases, heart disease ho, kidney disease ho, किसी भी major terminal illnesses ho. So being comfortable in your own skin is very important, but fitness is also very important. So I feel fitness को बेसी गुरुत्व दबा का था, fitness को बेसी importance दबा का था, because once you're fit, then you're just fab. Thank you everyone. I had a great time talking to all of you, and I hope you did too. Thank you. Happy Durga Puja.